Hey everybody, today we are going to be making this super cute bat with chain triple ring thingy. I'm super obsessed with this. This is probably the one jewelry piece I have that I always get comments about, like that people always say something about in public. So it's super cool and everything, super fun, but it is super easy to make. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made it. So first, let's start off with your supplies. So the first thing you're gonna need is the actual bat. I believe it's actually a butterfly, but I call it a bat because I think it looks like a bat. Anyways, you're gonna start out with this charm. You can get them on Fire Mountain Gems website. And then you'll need your middle ring base, which will need some sort of flat part to glue onto your charm. This one is adjustable. And then I'd really like to do two of the same rings for these ring pieces that are attached to the chains, but I couldn't find any. So I just have this ring with the loop and then this ring with the loop. They're both adjustable though, so I think it's fine. And then you'll need the chain. I'd say this is about a 2mm chain link curb chain, and it is 17 links long, and I just have 2 of those. And then you'll need 4 jump rings, some super glue, I'm just using E6000, and you'll need some basic jewelry pliers. But let's just get right into making this. So I'm gonna glue the ring base on last. Usually you'd do this first and then let it dry and then make the rest of the thing. But for this video, we're just gonna do it a little bit different. So I'm going to take my first jump ring, open it up, put it on one end of the bat, and then put the chain on the other end. Okay, and then we're gonna close it up. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Open up a jump ring. Put our butterfly on there, or our bat, sorry. And then we're going to put our chain on there. And close up that jump ring. Open up your third jump ring. And attach it to your chain. And then put a ring base on there. Close the jump ring. Same for the other side. Open up your fourth jump ring. Put it on the end of your chain. Put the ring base on there and close it up. So now you'll have something that looks like this. And we are going to flip our bat so that the back side is facing up, and then we are going to E6000 glue this ring base onto the bat. Now, my ring has definitely pulled off the base many times. And then I just simply do not do anything about it. I just glue it back on and call it a day. But I would recommend maybe taking sandpaper or even a nail file or something and just kind of scuffing it up and scratching it up so that it has some sort of grip to hold on to, which I'm gonna do with mine at some point. I just have not gotten around to it. Just gonna leave our ring base with the bat on there to dry. This is what your finished product will look like. And this is just something super fun to kind of play with, honestly. Like, it looks great and everybody loves it. But it's just also really fun to like play with little chains on your fingers. Yeah, I don't know. Overall, I really love this. Everybody who's ever said anything about it loves it. Super, super easy to make. But other than that, I think that will be it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.